this section of the video, we'll cover maintenance and rebuild kits. Pure Aqua typically recommends replacing certain components every 2 to 3 years to minimize the chances of downtime and potential failure of these valves. Although these valves are reliable, of course, like any pieces of equipment, maintenance is needed. One of the first components we typically recommend getting replaced is the control board here. Now this is of course the heart of the system in a way, as this has all the programming settings and so on. So every 2 to 3 years, this is a very good component or part to replace. Aside from that, we typically like to recommend replacing the motor here and any other moving parts shown here. Now, the manual has very good exploded views of all components with part numbers called out in detail. So aside from replacing certain components, it's also very good to do visual inspections. There's several connections, of course, here that are made on the valve, so inspecting those connections and making sure there's absolutely no leaks on a weekly or maybe possibly monthly basis is very important to ensure that you minimize corrosion on components around the valve if water is dripping out. Also, the drain line flow control can potentially get certain debris stuck inside. It's important and recommended to take that apart, clean it, install it back together, and reinstall it onto the top of the valve. With that concludes our maintenance and rebuild section of the video. This wraps up our Learning Center video, and we thank you for watching.